Hello Savarians, I hope you're all doing well. Today is a Guru Purnima and this day is to honor the Gurus who guide us on our journey of self-discovery and growth. Let's hear our Zavarians on what this day means to them and how they celebrate the spirit of Guru Shishya Parampara. What do you know about Guru Purnima? For me, Guru Purnima is a day to celebrate with our parents or our mentors or teachers who all help us to shape us and guide us emotionally. And it is a day to thank them all.
We celebrate this Guru Purnima festival to show our gratitude and respect to our professors because we love them.
Guru Purnima is a festival that is celebrated to honor and respect and express gratitude, devotion towards our teachers and professors.
Guru Purnima for me is a basic, very cultural and a traditional way to show the respect to our teachers and professors that they deserve.
In my point of view, Guru Purnima is a really special day which is dedicated to all the teachers, and as teacher plays a very important role in our lives. So I believe this day should be celebrated, and it's a really very important day.
It is a festival that we celebrate for paying gratitude to our teachers and also the persons who teaches us many different things in our life.
Guru Purnima is a very special day to thank people who guide us in our life, like our teacher, our mentor, and our parents. They help us to become who we are, and they motivate us when we feel lost, and they believe in us when we feel low. So it is a very important day to thank our teachers, our guide, our mentors for their love and support.
It is to honor teachers, mentors and spiritual guides, the Gurus, who show wisdom and help others to grow spiritually and intellectually.
What is the relevance of conventional teaching learning methods in the AI era? I think the teachers can build the emotional connection between the teachers and student that AI cannot, and the motivation the real teacher can give, no AI and ChatGPT can replace that. So for me, the teachers and that connection with teachers is irreplaceable, and I would really thank them for the motivation and the guidance they are giving to me.
See that AI era has helped us and provided us many apps like ChatGPT, YouTube tools and many more. But they can't replace our teachers because teachers are the moral support in our life. They provide us emotional learning and many more things.
The level is unmatched. Basically, what happens is teachers in the classroom builds a emotional and a very personal connection with each and every student that they lay their hands on. And I don't think so AI can replace our teachers, or AI can ever take the place of teachers or the professors.
AI cannot understand our emotions related to the questions that we want to ask, that only our professor or teachers can understand. That's why AI cannot replace our teachers or professors.
So I believe that AI plays a really important role in today's world, but teachers have their own place. Like AI may overcome, but teachers have their own roles, which is for our personal development and a holistic development, which AI can never be take place of any teacher.
These conventional methods are still relevant in this AI era because it teaches us discipline, passion and hard work so that we can achieve success in our life through these skills.
They have the good knowledge in their streams and in their subjects, and we love to have them as our professors. Thank you.
So the message I would like to give to my teachers is that they are the light that guides us and the strength that supports us. Thank you for being the inspiration behind our eyes.
Thank you for being the light that no technology can ever replicate. Thank you.
I would like to give that you or to all the teachers, they play a really important role in our lives, and we all love you and keep guiding us, keep supporting us.
So I would be really thankful to them. They have supported me so far. Yes, Guru Purnima is for them. Thank you, teachers.
I would like to thank my teachers or my mentors for their love and support they show towards me to help me become a better person in my life.
Thank you for giving me the skills that I needed and also telling me the paths to follow when I am confused. And thank you for helping me to becoming a better person.
Thank you everyone who share their thoughts on Guru Purnima. Let's continue to honor and appreciate the Guru who shape our lives and guide us towards wisdom and growth. A very happy Guru Purnima to all of you.